Hey everyone, welcome back to Heartfelt Growth. Today, we're diving into an essential aspect of self-care that often gets overlooked, skincare for men. Whether you're new to skincare or looking to up your game, these 20 tips will help you achieve healthy, glowing skin. Let's get started. Tip number 1, cleanse twice a day. Cleansing your face in the morning and at night removes dirt, oil, and impurities. This is crucial because, during the night, your skin goes through a repair cycle, and in the morning, your skin needs to be refreshed. Use a gentle cleanser suited for your skin type to avoid irritation. Look for ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide for oily skin, or hyaluronic acid for dry skin. Cleansing keeps your pores clear and your skin feeling fresh. Tip number 2, exfoliate regularly. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells and promotes cell turnover, giving you a brighter complexion. Aim to exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week using a scrub or an exfoliating cleanser. Be gentle to avoid over-scrubbing and irritation. Chemical exfoliants, like those containing glycolic acid or lactic acid, can also be effective. Exfoliating helps to prevent clogged pores and keeps your skin looking smooth and vibrant. Tip number 3, moisturize daily. Hydrated skin is healthy skin. Choose a moisturizer suitable for your skin type and apply it after cleansing and exfoliating. For oily skin, look for lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizers with ingredients like glycerin or dimethicone. For dry skin, opt for richer creams with ingredients like shea butter or ceramides. Moisturizing prevents dryness, flakiness, and keeps your skin looking supple. Tip number 4, use sunscreen. Sun protection is crucial to prevent premature aging and skin damage. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day. Even on cloudy days, UV rays can penetrate through clouds and windows, so don't skip this step. Reapply every 2 hours if you're outdoors for extended periods. Look for sunscreens with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide for better protection, especially if you have sensitive skin. Tip number 5, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain your skin's elasticity and overall health. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Hydration from the inside out keeps your skin looking fresh and radiant. You can also boost hydration by incorporating hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges into your diet. Tip number 6, get enough sleep. Quality sleep is vital for skin repair and regeneration. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. During sleep, your skin undergoes a repair process, producing collagen and repairing cellular damage. Lack of sleep can lead to dark circles, puffiness, and a dull complexion. Make sure your sleep environment is conducive to rest, with a cool, dark room and minimal noise. Tip number 7, maintain a healthy diet. What you eat affects your skin. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your diet. Foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals nourish your skin from the inside. Consider foods like salmon, nuts, berries, and green leafy vegetables. Avoid excessive sugar and processed foods, which can contribute to inflammation and skin issues. Tip number 8, avoid touching your face. Touching your face transfers dirt, oil, and bacteria from your hands to your skin, leading to breakouts. Be mindful of this habit and keep your hands clean. If you need to touch your face, make sure your hands are clean and avoid touching your face with dirty fingers. This small habit can make a big difference in preventing acne and skin irritation. Tip number 9, shave properly. Use a sharp razor and shaving cream or gel to minimize irritation. Shaving in the direction of hair growth and rinsing your razor after every stroke can prevent nicks and cuts. After shaving, apply an aftershave balm with soothing ingredients like aloe vera or chamomile to calm your skin. This will help reduce redness and irritation, leaving your skin smooth and refreshed. Tip number 10, use a face mask. Face masks provide deep cleansing, hydration, and nourishment. Use a mask once a week to target specific skin concerns like acne, dryness, or dullness. For oily skin, clay masks can help absorb excess oil, while hydrating masks with ingredients like hyaluronic acid are great for dry skin. Choose a mask that suits your skin type for the best results. Tip number 11. Avoid hot water. Washing your face with hot water can strip away natural oils and cause dryness. Use lukewarm water to cleanse and rinse your face. This helps maintain your skin's moisture balance and prevents irritation. Additionally, avoid long, hot showers, as they can also dehydrate your skin. Tip number 12. Manage stress. Stress can trigger skin issues like acne and eczema. Practice stress-reducing activities like meditation, exercise, or hobbies. Keeping stress in check contributes to healthier skin. Techniques such as yoga, deep breathing exercises, or even regular walks can significantly reduce stress levels and improve your skin's appearance. Tip number 13. Don't smoke. Smoking accelerates skin aging and damages collagen and elastin. Quitting smoking improves your skin's appearance and overall health. Your skin will thank you for it. Smoking restricts blood flow to the skin, leading to a dull complexion and premature wrinkles. Tip number 14. Use an eye cream. The skin around your eyes is delicate and prone to wrinkles and dark circles. Apply an eye cream daily to keep this area hydrated and reduce signs of aging. Look for eye creams with ingredients like caffeine, peptides, or vitamin C to brighten and firm the skin. Tip number 15. Choose products wisely. Use skincare products that suit your skin type and address your specific concerns. Avoid products with harsh chemicals and fragrances that can irritate your skin. Look for products with gentle, soothing ingredients like aloe vera, chamomile, or green tea. Tip number 16. Stay consistent. Skincare results take time, so be patient and consistent with your routine. Stick to your regimen and give your skin time to adapt and improve. Consistency is key to seeing long-term benefits, so don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Tip number 17. Treat acne properly. If you have acne, use products with ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. Avoid picking or squeezing pimples, as this can lead to scarring. Incorporate a gentle acne treatment into your routine, and consult a dermatologist if your acne persists. Tip number 18. Use antioxidant serums. Antioxidants protect your skin from environmental damage and improve its appearance. Incorporate serums with ingredients like vitamin C or E into your daily routine. These ingredients help to brighten your skin, reduce inflammation, and protect against UV damage. Tip number 19. Keep your beard groomed. If you have a beard, wash and condition it regularly to keep it clean and soft. Use beard oil or balm to maintain its health and manageability. Regular grooming not only keeps your beard looking neat but also prevents dryness and itchiness. Tip number 20. Listen to your skin. Pay attention to how your skin reacts to different products and routines. Adjust your skincare regimen based on your skin's needs and changes. If something doesn't work for you, don't hesitate to switch products or consult with a dermatologist for personalized advice. And there you have it, 20 essential skincare tips for men. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you'll achieve healthier, more vibrant skin. Remember, skincare is an investment in yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.